Hello guys, and welcome to the demo video of HostAgency. Now before I proceed, what is HostAgency? This is the first ever agency offer that allows anyone to start selling hosting services to hordes of hungry clients in less than 5 minutes. Now let's get started. Once you click on the link, that is hostagencyapp.com/login, this is what you're going to be seeing, and you're required to input your email address and your password. So once you have logged in using your email address and your password, this is what you're going to be seeing. This is your dashboard. It's just an overview of what you have been up to with HostAgency. Now let's quickly create a site to show you how HostAgency works in less than 5 minutes. So over here, we go here to host sites. Here we have manage host sites, create host site. Click on create host sites. So here you are required to input your website's name. Let's go with demo girl, and your desired domain name. Demo girl. So over here showing hostagencyapp.com, this means that your site will be hosted on this subdomain. Now there is also the option of adding your own custom domain. We'll see how that is done in subsequent videos. So once you have imputed your website's name and your desired domain name, you click on submit. And as you can see, in less than 2 minutes, we have created a site, demogirl.hostagencyapp.com, using the HostAgency app. So over here, this is this shows you the website's name, the link. Let's click on the link and see what it looks like. And voila, we have been able to create our own domain hosting site in less than 2 minutes using the hostagencyapp.com. So once you click on an admin area, go to admin area, this is what you're going to be seeing. So don't worry, this email address and password has already been generated for you. So all you need to do is just to click on sign in. So as you can see, this gives you total access to your domain hosting site. This is just the dashboard and gives you like a brief overview of everything going on in the site, like total number of active orders, total paid invoice amount, total orders, and total customers. Over here is customers. It lets you add new customers, list your customers, company groups, files, and here this is billing. This shows your hosting orders, domain orders, invoices, lets you create new quotes, shows your payments and accounts. So over here in support, now HostAgency has an inbuilt support, and so here you can check, open a new ticket, check tickets, and new article, all articles. Over in services, hosting, it shows your hosting plans, other services, groups, domain servers, domain registration provider. And productivity lets you see your tax, lets you see your calendar, and also your documents. So reports shows your invoices, your income reports, and sales. All of this will be further explained in the full tutorial video. Appearance. With appearance, it lets you customize your appearance. HostAgency has 2 themes. Let's check that one out. So this is the template 1 and the template 2. This changes the appearance of your domain hosting site. Over here, plugins. This shows you, this lets you drop plugins to upload plugin files, and settings, general settings. This lets you organize your stuff. It lets you also add goals to the stuff. It lets you add currencies, new currencies, manage tags to impute or create new payment methods, sales tags, email settings, and email templates. All of this will be further explained in details in the full tutorial video. Thank you for watching this brief demo video.